Hi everyone, let's begin our new video. C-H-O-O-S-E. Choose. Fantastic. Choose with. Perfect. Which toy will Gulpy choose to play with? Fantastic, you are learning so perfect. P-I-C-K. Pig. Outstanding. Pick. Just. Decide. Super. Which book should Munchie pick? Munchie just cannot decide. Outstanding. Build. B-U-I-L-D. Build. Good job. Build house. Super. Gulpy and Gobble are working hard to build a house. Fantastic, you are learning so great. C-L-E-A-N. Clean. Well done. Time. Clean house. Super. It's time to clean the house. Fantastic learning. Y-A-W-N. Yarn. Super. Yarn must. Outstanding. Munchie starts to yawn. He must be sleepy. Outstanding learning. P-L-A-Y. Play. Well done. Play with today. Super. Gulpy wants to play with toys today. Perfect. Learning is like a magic. The more you learn, the more you get. Thank you for watching this video. W-I-N. Win. Well done. Very win. Crunchy ran very fast, so he could win the race. F-I-S-H. Fish. Outstanding. Fish. Lake. Perfect. Crunchy likes to fish in the Monster Village lake. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. B-U-Y. Buy. Perfect. Buy. The monster wants to buy some cookies. Fantastic. You are learning so perfect. C-H-E-C-K. Check. Nice. Check. Like. Good job. Dr. Monster has to check Crunchy. Looks like Crunchy is not well. Nice. R-E-A-D. Read. Fantastic. Read. Monty is trying to read a book. Super! A R R A N G E. Arrange. Good job. Like, arrange. Perfect. The monster likes to arrange the books and toys. Perfect.